हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू कोड मैट्रिक्स यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के पार्ट 7 के अंदर मैं आपको ऑलबर्ट्स एंड द न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। This video ad by Allbirds, a shoemaker, uses simplicity and wide space to its advantage. The video only lasts 9 seconds, but Allbirds demonstrate the product in a way that catches your attention and resonates with the individual's wearer. There's a lot of ad content on Facebook. Ad when Facebook users scroll through their news feeds, that content starts to blend together. Sometimes your best chance at sticking out of Facebook is by using subtle movement and details like Allbirds did above. Let every other video on Facebook be quick and flashy, and yours will be a breath of fresh air to your audience. Why this ad works? It's visual. The video has a clear focus on a subject, and that subject is engaging in a movement. That means something. These shoes are comfy. I subsequently started wiggling my one toes as I saw this ad for the first time. It's relevant. I am always interested in finding new shoes. I probably search or click on something related to footwear once a week. This ad feeds that interest in a unique way. It's valuable. The opening quote above the video is reason enough for me to want to learn more about why these shoes are so comfortable. Allbirds also sweetens the deal with free shipping, free returns, and a note below the video that the products is machine washable, all without taking the focus away from the video itself. It has a clear call to action. If I want these shoes, there are shop now. CTA button to the button right of the ad, waiting for me to take a closer look at them. The New York Times. This photo ad by the New York Times is driving traffic to a written article with an intriguing illustration. The drawing literally depict the article's ideal audience: working men and women, raising children, for parents who are even a little interested in understanding burnout and mental health. This image, along with the statistically backed report in the headline, clearly shows a tried mom trying to catch some rest with her children. When publisher advertiser advertise on Facebook, they need to connect with their audience through featured images that evoke emotion. If their main product is a reading experience, the photo they choose has to complement their written content perfectly. The New York Times ad above is an example of photo ads done right. Why this ad works? It's visual. This ad is emotionally impactful. If you have not been a tried working parent, then it is your seen them, and then the sight can make you feel immense compassion towards them by including a visual that makes a user care not about the ad to read it and click through. NYT is publishing the goal to which every ad aspires. It's relevant. especially in the wake of COVID, with parents balancing work and personal life within the some space. The topic is incredibly irritable. This is an article I would personally be interested in reading, and it helps that the ad appears like a native post promoting a article in my news feed. It's include an anti-sync value prop. The ad states that you can find help it you recognize the sign of parental burnout, which can feel like being tossed a life jacket, especially to the parents reading the report. This social proof makes you more likely to click and read the article. It has a clear call to action. This ad is detected to helping parents make sense of the sign and get help for their fatigue to buy. So by parents to learn more, the call to action makes you want to click the आर्टिकल टू फाइनली फाइंड आंसर। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में, मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।